There's a woman traveling solo. I saw an older woman. By older, I mean not my age. I mean even older, maybe 70, driving that truck that was pulling that trailer. So that's kind of cool. Well, good morning. What did I learn last night? It was kind of warm here when I got here. And now that I'm outside of California, I'm afraid to leave the doors open or windows open because of the mosquitoes. Because I got 5 bites that other night. I know there are things you can buy for the front windows that have magnets and screen. If I can find some inexpensive, maybe I'll do that. But it seems like anything you buy pre-made for a camper or RV is really expensive. So I'm trying to think if there's any way that I can make something. No, you did not happen upon a makeup tutorial. But another thing I've discovered that I need is a regular non-magnifying mirror. I have this one, but it's 10 times magnification. I wish I had bought one that was maybe 7, because this, you know, I just needed something for my eye makeup. But this is so magnified you can like only see one eye. Like you can't use it to, you know, do powder and stuff. I don't know. So I'm using my phone sort of as a mirror. You know what? I should have got one that had dual sides. Yes, regular on one, magnifying the other. So if you're looking, ladies, for something like that, that's what you need to look for. I'm not a big makeup person, but after a couple days of looking kind of rough, it feels really good to have makeup on. I feel like a member of society again. Nothing like baby powder for dry shampoo if you're a blonde. All right, one question I would have if I saw someone traveling like this is, if you don't have running water and a sink and all that, then how do you wash dishes? Well, I made this makeshift sink, which is a pretty paint can from Home Depot with a funnel in it held to the handle with a rubber band. So I collect any dirty or used water. I just use this as a sink. And the first thing I do is I get out just any, like there's little bits of cereal in here. And so I just get out the bits like that. And put it in my trash. Then I have a water spray bottle. Just rinse it out like so. And then get another napkin and just wipe it really well. I mean, it's using very little water and a lot of friction, and get things pretty clean that way. And then, you know, after a while you're gonna have to dump the water somewhere, and I stopped at a car wash yesterday to wash the van, and I realized that's a great place to dump that and take out your trash, because you've got the drains right there, and then they've got trash cans because they expect everyone to be taking the trash out of their car. Area was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I mean, I could almost live there. It was that nice. Now, and they did have free internet. However, It was a little slower than what I need, so I am headed to Elk City.
Next time on Van Life Wannabe.
I was terrified before I drove away. Now look at what I did. So Turkey, I haven't heard a peep out of you this whole trip. Soy nuts?